join you today to talk to you about a new trunk bag that I recently got. I alluded to in a previous video, 2 videos ago, when I was talking about the upgrades I made to the Trek 1120 drivetrain. So I thought I'd come out and talk about the Basil Miles MIK trunk bag. I recently purchased this because I was really interested in the MIK mounting system, because I have a Bontrager Back Rack Deluxe MIK rack. So I was just kind of curious to see. I already have the Ortlieb bag. It fits on there great, despite the little snafu that I had when it fell over and the handle broke. I'll put a link to that, a card for that right up here, and you can go check out that video if you're interested in that. But I didn't get this because there's anything wrong with that bag. The Ortlieb bag is still working great. I used it on the weekend, loved it. I will be using it on the Niagara tour coming up. I just really wanted to check out the MIK system. I also was kind of interested in getting a bag with a zipper, but once I got the bag, I realized 2 things. One, that the MIK system is awesome, so that was a real good thing to find out. And 2, I found out that the Basil Miles MIK bag is not the greatest bag in the world. Like I said, the mounting system works great, but the bag itself is lacking in a couple areas. First of all, let me tell you some of the stats. The price on it varies widely. The company is out of the Netherlands. I purchased it from the shop where I do all my purchasing at, City Cyclery. So I'm not gonna give you the price I paid for it because you can't get it from them. The link I'm gonna give to you for the bag is from their website. So the price varies widely online, I noticed. I've seen it when looking this up before I came here to give you guys a price. I noticed that the price varies anywhere from $130 to $180. So if you're looking to buy this bag despite the negative review, do your due diligence to get your best price depending on where you are. Okay, so the negative things that I didn't like about it. Number 1, right off the bat, the zipper system is a pain in the butt. As you will see, it has this flap that covers it. The flap is very stiff, especially if it's cooler out at all, but even when it's hot out or warmer out, this flap does get in the way. So right off the bat, that was one thing. As soon as I grabbed the bag and checked it out, that I noticed was going to be an issue, and sure enough, it has been. The other issue is with that roll down closure on the inside that's helped to protect the contents of the bag. What's happening when you try to close it, as you'll see, is that the bag's getting caught in the zipper. I've tried all different ways to try and avoid that, but it's really hard to avoid getting that orange bag caught in the zipper. So as you'll see, what's happened is from the bag getting caught in the zipper, it's actually perforated the bag and made holes in it. And if any water gets in there now, it kind of defeats the purpose of the whole waterproof system of this bag. So really disappointed to find this out. In fact, I really cannot recommend the bag because of it. It's a 7-liter bag, that's the volume of it. So like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you would like to check out all the details as far as what it's made out of and all that stuff. It's a lot easier for you guys to go on their website and check that out. Like I said, unfortunately, I cannot recommend this bag. That zipper part is a huge failure. I'm gonna continue to use it around town. But like I said, I'm really disappointed. I was kind of hoping this would be a good bag for electronics as well, but I definitely cannot trust putting things that I'm worried about getting wet in a bag that has these zipper issues. So unfortunately, I cannot recommend this bag, as I've already said. If I was to give it a rating out of 5 stars, I would probably give it a 2, maybe 2.5 if I was trying to be generous. So that's my thoughts on the Basil Miles MIK bag. If anyone has anything to add to this, if you have experience with Basil products, this system, or anything like that, please let me know. Like I said, as you can see, the MIK system is really nice to use. It's easy to take off, put on. You have the key that comes with it. You can either leave it in and it stays in, or you could put it on a keychain and pocket of one of the bags on the trunk bag, whatever it is. I may repurpose the MIK system off of this onto another one. I'm not sure. I really do like it. If I don't, I will be keeping my eye open for an MIK bag that has better quality manufacturing in the bag aspect of it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you at least found the video informative and maybe got some info out of it that might help you going forward when purchasing a bag. So that's going to wrap up this video. In about 8 days, I will be heading up to the Waterloo area to start the Niagara tour with Bob, Jacques and Julie, and I'm really looking forward to that. Had a great time on the weekend with Bob. Everything went well. We got to put our equipment through the paces. That was Bob's first experience with the bike totally loaded, so he got to figure out what works and what doesn't work for him. And going forward, he'll be able to know what to tweak. So yeah, really looking forward to that Niagara ride. It's going to be 8 days, and which to me is a proper tour in terms of amount of time out on the bike. So like I said, really looking forward to that. I hope everyone's getting out there and doing something they love, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.